In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a file from Google Drive to Wix. If you want website visitors to open a file from your Google Drive by clicking a button or a piece of text on your Wix site, this is a simple and reliable method to use. It's recommended because it sends visitors directly to the file in a new tab, which keeps your website open while allowing them to view or download the document separately. First, open your Google Drive and locate the file you want to share. Once you find it, right-click on the file and select Share. This is where you control who can access the file. So this part is important. Under General Access, if the file is currently set to Restricted, change it to Anyone with the link. That allows people visiting your Wix site to open the file without needing special permission. Also make sure the role is set to Viewer. This is a good practice because it lets visitors read or download the file, but it prevents them from making changes. Once those settings are correct, click Copy Link. Then click Done. At this point, your file link is ready to use. Next, go to your Wix editor. On the left side, click the plus icon to add an element to your page. You can add a button if you want a clear call to action, or you can highlight text inside a text box if you prefer a more subtle link. Either option works, so choose the one that fits your page design best. After selecting the button or text, click the link icon, which looks like a chain symbol. In the link options, choose Web Address. Then paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier into the URL field. Make sure you select the option to open the link in a new window. This helps improve the visitor experience because your Wix site will remain open while the file opens separately. Once that's done, click Done to save the link settings. Before making the page live, it's a good idea to test everything. Click Preview and try the button or text yourself to confirm that the file opens correctly and that the sharing permissions are working as expected. If the file doesn't open, go back to Google Drive and double-check that the access is set to Anyone with the link. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. And that's it. Thanks for watching.